Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Learn Math with Sir Mark, and in this video, I'm not going to discuss any math problem, but rather, what I'm going to discuss is what app I'm using in discussing those math problems. Well, if you already subscribe on my channel, and you constantly watching my videos, you'll see there that I love to write and explain my solutions on those problems. Okay? And recently, actually I received a lot of positive comments and private messages asking, Sir Mark, what app are you using in making those videos? Well, because of those queries, I decided to make a short video on how to use that app. Interested? Well, before anything else, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel, Learn Math with Sir Mark. Let's go! Okay, so in case you missed it, I was invited by Bibal Group in one of their webinar series last June 20, and my topic is Beyond Borders, Video Lesson Creation in Math. Okay, actually, on that webinar, I emphasized, and I'm going to say it again, there's nothing wrong in making PowerPoint presentation, Canva, or Prezi presentation in making a math video lesson, but for me, in my own personal opinion, it's more appealing, it's more convincing to your viewers, especially to your students, that you really solve it talaga. As in, nagsusulat ka in solving those problems, because it only reflects that you really know what you're talking about compared to reading your slides as it appears on your screen. Okay? On that webinar, so this is the app that I used. Okay? And actually, I'm still using it right now. So, yung Boxlight Mimio Studio. Well, actually, you can find the link on the video description below. Or if you want, you can go to your browser. Alright? Okay, click mo lang Mimio Studio. Ayan. So, Mimio Studio. Then, ito. Go to mimio.boxlight.com. Okay? Then, on that website, so go to support. See that? And then, click software downloads. Okay. So, from there, of course, ang ida-download natin yung latest version, which is Mimio Studio 12. Okay. Pag click mo yan, okay. So, all you have to do is to supply the necessary information. Your first name, last name, email address, etc. Then, download mo na siya. And the good thing here, this is free. Okay, so by the way, before you download it, select the proper operating system. Kung Windows ba yan, Windows 10, Windows 8, Mac, okay, etc. Alright, so once you download it, ma-install mo na siya. Okay, then create ka lang ng shortcut for the icon, then that's it. You're good to go. Okay, so this icon here, to, kita nyo yung mouse ko, or yung cursor ko. Itong violet na to, that's the icon for the Mimio Studio Notebook. Okay, so open ako ng bago. Okay, so since yan, once you click it, ito yung magpa-prompt sa screen nyo. Okay, see that? As I said, free version to. So since free version siya, limited lang siya. But don't worry, kahit limited version siya, this is very powerful tool. Swak na swak sa mga math teachers. Okay, so click mo lang continue. Okay, so this is how your screen will look like. Ito yung blank screen mo. Then, ito, movable to. Okay? So, this is what we call the Mimio Studio Tools. Okay? Isa-isahin ko yung mga important. Itong triangle na to, see that, yung upper left, this is what I use, or what we're going to use in selecting objects. See that? Okay, magsiselect ka ng object. Okay, etc. Then, ito, yung pen. Okay? So, yan. Pen or brush. So, I usually use pen. So, yung pen na yan, you can change the color, okay, if you want to use black or red, okay. By the way, what I'm using is mouse, okay. The good thing here is teachers do not need to buy gadgets, to buy tablets with stylus so that you can write a solution, etc., okay. What again, practicean lang yan. What I'm using is, okay, so the mouse, okay. So, you want to highlight it, highlight ko to. Ayun. You can change the color of your highlighter if you want. See that? Then, if you want to erase it, ito yung eraser ko. Okay? Madali naman explore once ma-install nyo siya. Okay? Or if you want to totally erase everything, click mo lang tong my X. Yung my pen na my X. See that? There you go. Okay? Now, like I said, I do not use PowerPoint. Okay? So, ito na yon. Ito na yung ginagamit ko in my videos. Ibig sabihin, Vimeo Studio pa lang, sapat na. Okay, so ibig sabihin, so click ko lang yung text na yan, o yung T na yan, meaning for text. So that's it. Mag-type ako kunyari ng problem number 1. Okay? You can change the font size, the font style, font size. You can change the font color if you want. Kung gusto ko gawing red, okay, gawin ko siyang red. Alright, highlight mo lang. Then that's it. Color red na siya. See that? Then, kunyari, kokopyahin mo yung problem. Okay. So, all you have to do, copy-paste. Okay, copy-paste lang. Kunyari, I want this problem. Okay. So, ayoko na mag-type ulit. Alright, go to that. Then, that's it. Click mo lang. Then, ayusin mo na lang in such a way, pare-pare sila ng font. Or kung anong desire mong font style or font size. Okay. Okay, I usually use 28. Okay, then that's it. Like I said, pwede mo siyang i-stretch, pwede mo siyang i-resize. Okay, see that? Then, may mga equation. Okay, sad to say, this Word file, ito, equation editor kasi yung ginamit ko. So, you cannot copy-paste this one. So, but the good thing kay Boxlight, na hindi kaya ni PowerPoint, or kung pwede man, hindi siya ganun ka-elegant compared to this. So, pwede ka mag-type ng equation. Alright? Pwede ka mag-type ng equation. So, kunyari, so, the type ko is, okay, A plus B equals 3. Alright? Then, 3 equations kasi yun. The second is AC plus B equals 18, kunyari. Okay? Gusto ko naka-italize yan. Then, the next one is BC plus 6. A pala. Equals 6. Alright? So, italic. And then, that's it. So, ito yung equation ko. See that? Okay? So, madali lang naman siyang explore. Then, you can resize it if you want. Alright? Okay, then to complete the question, just type find C. Okay? So, pwede ko itong enter actually. Oh, no. Copy-paste ko na lang pala. Alright? So, pwede ko siyang copy-paste. Alright? Then, that's it. Type mo lang yung find C. Okay, there you go. Then, pwede ka na mag-solve. Okay, kunyari, solve ko. By the way, I'm not going to solve it right away. Okay, hindi ko na siya solve. Papakita ko lang na ganito yung ginagawa ko lagi in making video lessons. Alright, so, suppose I'm going to add equation 2 and 3. Okay, so, i-add ko yan. Kunyari, AC plus BC plus A plus B. Okay, equals 24. Then, factor out ko yung C. Alright, A plus B. See that? Again, hindi ganito kaganda yung sulat ko dati. Noong una ko itong ginamit, syempre medyo pasmado. Pangit yung sulat ko dati. You can actually find it on my first 2-3 videos dun sa YouTube channel ko. Alright? So, now, medyo gamay ko na siya. So somehow, medyo nag-improve yung handwriting ko. Okay? So, since A plus B is 3, so 3C yan. Okay, plus 3 equals 24. And clearly, C is equal to 7. Ayan. So, pwede mo nang baguhin. Kunyari, colored chalk yung gamit mo. Okay, the final answer is C equals 7. See that? So, mas madali siyang gamitin. Kasi ang kailangan mo lang yung question, then solve it mo na. Unlike kung PowerPoint, di ba, pati yung solution, ipa-PowerPoint mo, lalagyan mo ng animation, ng effects, etc. It's really time-consuming. Okay? It's really time-consuming. Now, the second alternative is this. By the way, you can make another slide. Right-click mo lang, then new page. Okay? Then you can transfer from one slide to another by clicking this. Okay? Now, so there's an alternative way to do it. Okay? Ito yung isa sa kinagusto ko dito. Yung screen clipping. Okay? Itong illustration na to, itong figure na to, parang picture. Okay? Screen clip ko lang yan. So, suppose I want to copy this problem. That's it. See that? Oops, sorry. Okay? Ayan. So, i-move ko lang siya. I can resize it if I want. See that? Again, ulitin ko. Mag-screen clip ako. So, right-click ko lang yan. Okay? Then, screen clip. So, piliin mo lang kung anong gusto mo. Suppose, I want this problem number 5. Actually, ayoko na sa bata. Ayan lang. That's it. You can resize it if you want. See that? Alright, yun yung kagandahan nito. So, hindi siya ganun kahirap basta may mga old files ka na, may mga Word files ka na before. That's it. Okay? By the way, you can change the color of this one. Okay? Right-click mo lang. Suppose gusto mo ma-feel na parang blackboard. Okay? Parang blackboard. Ito yung usually ginagamit ko. Alright? Itong green na to. Then, that's okay. Yun na yun. Then, just use white. White ink. That's it. Ipo-factor ko to. So, x to the 4th. This one is 14x squared. Okay? Plus 49. Separate ko yung 9x squared, etc. Hindi ko na siya isusolve. So, basta gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo, ganun ka-flexible tong Mini Studio. Alright? Then, last na siguro, okay, isa pa sa kagandahan nito, create ako ng new page, pwede ka mag-create ng illustration dito as if nagsusolve ka. Okay? So, hindi ko na hanapin yung file ko, pero I still remember the problem. Okay? Meron daw hexagon. Okay? Pwede ako mag-drawing hexagon right away. Okay? Kunyari, black. Yan yung hexagon. Alright? Tapos, meron daw line. Okay? Tapos, sabi sa problem, meron daw triangle. Ayan. See that? Okay? So, ganun kadali mag-drawing. Tapos, yun na. Mag-solve na ako. Kunyari, this is 3. Alright? 3, kunyari lang. Alright? This is right triangle. Etc. This is theta. And so on. See that? How flexible this Mimi Studio? Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple. Explore nyo lang po. Okay? No need to buy gadgets. This is very user-friendly. Okay? So, hindi siya ganun ka-complicated as you can see on the tools. Okay? Okay. So, I hope you learned something on this video, on this episode. Okay? So, once again, don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Learn Math with Sir Mark. Okay. So, I'll see you next time. Stay safe.